Hi guys, welcome back to Cakes by G. Do you want to know how I make the vanilla sponge cake with only 5 ingredients? If you're interested, please watch this video tutorial. We will be needing 6 eggs, 150 grams of flour, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. We need to preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius. We will be using two 8 inches round pan lined with parchment paper. Combine the eggs and granulated sugar in a clean bowl. Using hand mixer, whip egg and sugar into an airy and stiff dough around 6 to 8 minutes. Sieve baking soda over the egg mixture and beat for 10 seconds. And add the vanilla extract. Next, sieve the flour over the egg mixture. Gently fold the flour into the egg mixture using a spatula. Just continue doing this until there is no lumps in the mixture. Next, pour the butter equally into our ready pan. Don't forget to tap to avoid bubbles on your cake. And bake for 40 minutes. After baking, don't forget to leave them for a while, just to cool down. And here is our vanilla sponge cake with only 5 ingredients. You can now put fillings and decorate them whichever and whatever you want. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button for more easy tutorial. Until then,